Hello everyone, I am Bhadra Rishikesh from IIT Madras. Today I'll be presenting the poster Phase Separation Without Domain Coarsening Driven by Two-Dimensional Turbulence. I'm guided by Dr. Ithya Mani from IIT Madras and Professor Hajime Tanaka from the University of Tokyo. Coming to the introduction, rotating active matter can phase separate in both dry and wet environments. In biological systems, we have E. coli near walls, the dancing wall walks, and sperm cells, and experimental systems we have spherical cap colloids in presence of H2O2 solution. They produce collective effects regulated by purely hydrodynamic means, and it's desirable to understand the role of hydrodynamics in such active self-rotating systems. Of late, the turbulent nature of pattern formation in active systems has gained considerable attention, and this is known as active turbulence. Experiments conducted for nickel particles in air-water interface, self-propelled interfacial camphor particles display a turbulent behavior as described by the phenomenal theory of Kolmogorov. To this end, motivated by these experiments, we are set out to study a general model where we intend to reproduce some of the features characteristic of two-dimensional turbulence in these experimental systems. We have a mixture of counterclockwise and clockwise rotating particles in a two-dimensional fluid, and we find out the effect of nonlinear term and how the phase separation is different from thermodynamic phase separation. These are our parameters, the important one being the rotational Reynolds number and the fraction of counterclockwise phi. For this, we use the method of fluid particle method capable of incorporating nonlinear hydrodynamic effects at high Reynolds number. The solid colloids are treated as non-deformable liquid particles whose viscosity is much higher than the solvent viscosity, and the viscosity changes smoothly across the colloid-solvent boundary. By introducing a smooth particle field phi n between 0 and 1, we distinguish whether the position of the particle r is inside or outside the particle. And this is the equation that we solve in, and Fu is for WCA potential, and the force due to torque is Ft, and alpha represents the strength of the torque. Alpha greater than 0 means particle is anticlockwise in nature. Coming to the results, we observe two phase separation morphologies. One is the droplet and other is the stripe phase. Phase separation behavior is such that for off-symmetric mixture, as Reynolds number increases, the homogeneous phase is converting into a rotating droplet of counterclockwise in a clockwise matrix with similar volume fraction. Then it gets converted to a rotating crystalline droplet with time. Now we can see that this is because it squeezes out the fluid and results in the formation of a sharp interface. The incubation time for droplet to crystal transition decreases with increase in Reynolds number. For symmetric mixtures, we get a band-like separated state with flowing bands in opposite direction, and the interface that is formed is fluctuating in nature and the density is remaining the same throughout. The nature of phase separation is very unique, and it's different from domain thermodynamic phase separation because there is no domain coarsening. This is because in our system, after the initial fluctuation, there exists only where in that part there exists only local rotational field, after which the flow self-organizes to form the largest coherent structure. So this is a characteristic of inverse cascade in two-dimensional turbulence as verified here, where kinetic energy gets transferred from the smallest of scales to the largest of scales, and it obeys the -π/3 scaling law. The total kinetic energy increases as the flow coherence occurs, and as a consequence, the largest structure is formed. So this is reflected upon in the structure factor as well. Now the system's behavior cannot be inferred from pair interactions, and it is purely governed by nonlinear many-body long-range interactions. The velocity is maximum at the interface, and the Magnus force, which is nonlinear repulsive force, is found to be greatest at these interfaces. So for like particles at high area fraction, this results in the formation of a stable lattice. However, here we have a mixture. The turbulent dynamic fluctuations exist, and it prevents the formation of a stable hexitic order, resulting in a disordered structure. So the composition asymmetry causes difference in pressure produced by the Magnus force in the two phases, eventually leading to a droplet and further compaction. Thus, to conclude, we have considered a system of rotating mixtures which phase separate in the presence of nonlinear hydrodynamic interactions. Thank you.